Okay, so for the hip hinge drill, you want to set yourself up next to a wall or something flat that you can kind of sit your hips back into. So you want to first start by facing away from the wall. Your feet are going to be about hip distance apart or wherever you would typically set up to do a deadlift. So for here, I usually will have your feet about 6 inches away from the wall to start. You can imagine that you've got your bar here, and all you're going to simply do is brace your core and sit your hips back until they tap the wall behind you, and then come straight back up and squeeze your glutes. If that's pretty easy for you, then you can step out away from the wall another couple of inches and repeat the drill. So sit back, squeeze the glutes. Sit back and tap, and come up, squeeze the glutes. And then keep moving away from the wall until it gets really challenging. Learn to trust yourself and learn to embrace or brace that core and really sit your hips back. This is a really great exercise for people that have experienced some sort of trauma when doing deadlifts or when doing any sort of forward bent type of motion. Even something as simple as picking something up off of the ground. So really challenge yourself with this one, and as always, try not to move into pain because we're trying to get the brain here to associate this movement as a safe one for you to do.